Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video on the evolution of artificial intelligence or AI. AI has been one of the most revolutionary and transformative technologies of our time. In this video, we will be taking a look at the timeline of AI development and how it has transformed over time. Let's start from the very beginning. Way back where the concept of artificial intelligence, AI, introduced dates back to the 1950s when the field was first established. At the time, the focus was on developing machines that could think and learn like humans. This involved creating algorithms and computer programs that could mimic human thought processes, such as problem-solving, decision-making, and learning. The first AI programs were written in programming languages such as Fortran and Lisp. These early programs were relatively simple and focused on tasks such as playing chess or solving mathematical problems. However, they laid the groundwork for more sophisticated AI algorithms and techniques that would be developed in the years to come. In the 1960s and 70s, the field of artificial intelligence, AI, was still in its early stages, and researchers were exploring different ways to teach computers to understand and communicate with humans. One of the areas of focus was natural language processing, NLP, which involves teaching computers to understand and generate human language. The goal of NLP research was to create programs that could understand and respond to human language in a way that was similar to how humans interact with each other. This involved developing algorithms that could analyze the meaning and structure of human language, as well as the context in which it was used. One of the early applications of NLP was the development of chatbots, also known as conversational agents or virtual assistants. Chatbots are computer programs that are designed to simulate human conversation. During the 1980s, there was a shift in focus towards the development of expert systems in the field of artificial intelligence, AI. These systems were designed to make decisions based on rules and logical reasoning. They were developed by encoding knowledge and rules provided by experts in a particular field, such as medicine or finance. This shift towards expert systems marked the beginning of machine learning, which would eventually become a major part of AI development. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves creating algorithms that can learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. This is in contrast to expert systems, which were designed based on explicit rules provided by human experts in their respective fields. The 1990s saw the widespread adoption of the Internet, which led to the development of search engines like Google. Search engines are a crucial part of the Internet, allowing users to easily find the information they need. However, as the amount of information available on the Internet grew, it became increasingly difficult to find relevant results. To address this challenge, search engines began to incorporate artificial intelligence, AI, techniques. This allowed them to analyze the meaning and context of search queries and provide more relevant results to users. For example, search engines use natural language processing, NLP, algorithms to understand the intent behind search queries and to provide results that are most likely to meet the user's needs. In the early 2000s, the focus of AI research shifted towards the development of neural networks. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that can learn from data and improve their performance over time. They are modeled after the structure of the human brain, with interconnected layers of nodes that process and analyze data. This approach to AI marked a major step forward, as it allowed AI systems to learn and adapt without being explicitly programmed. Neural networks have since become widely used in a variety of applications such as image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing. One of the most significant breakthroughs in neural network research was the development of deep learning algorithms. These are neural networks that have many layers and can learn from very large datasets. Deep learning has led to significant advances in a variety of fields, such as computer vision and natural language processing. In recent years, AI has continued to evolve rapidly. Deep learning, a type of neural network that can learn from unstructured data such as images and videos, has become a major focus of AI research. This has led to breakthroughs in fields such as computer vision and robotics. So, as you can see, the evolution of AI has been a long and fascinating journey. From simple chatbots to complex neural networks, AI has come a long way. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting developments in the future. That's all for this video. I hope you found it informative and interesting. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.